But I'm Kirsten, and I'm going to be singing Mean by Taylor Swift. I'm doing it like with no work music. You, with your words like knives and swords and weapons that you use against me, you knock me on my feet again, got me feeling like I'm nothing, you, with your voice like nails on a chalkboard, calling me out when I'm wounded, you, picking on the weaker man. You can take me down with just one single blow. But you don't know what you don't know. Someday I'll be living in a big old city, and all you're ever gonna be is me. Someday I'll be big enough so you can't hit me, and all you're ever gonna be is mean. Why you gotta be so mean? You, when you're switching sides and your Wi-Fi lies and your humiliation, you are pointing out my flaws again as if I already don't see them. I hold my head down trying to block you out 'cause I'll never impress you. I just wanna feel okay again. I bet you got pushed around, somebody made you cold, but the cycle ends right now, right? You don't know me down that road. You don't know what you don't know. Someday I'll be living in a big old city, and all you're ever gonna be is